Hi, this is In the Middle, and we're going to talk about Fast, Cheap, and Out of Control, directed by Errol Morris in 1997. We have Dave Hoover, he's the wild animal tamer. You have George Mendonça, a topiary gardener. You have Ray Mendez, he is the decade of mole rats expert. And then you have Ronnie Brooks. He is the scientist from MIT who majors and whose focus is robotics.
Evolution spent a long time, billions of years, getting to the point of little creatures which could chase each other around, have mobility, and interact with the world in a meaningful way, apart from being an amoeba that just sits there and doesn't do much.
And this part that I've chose started from the lion and the tiger fighting each other, and cutting to the GoBots, and then cutting to the cells that's reproducing and evolving into multiple cells, to Ronnie Brooks explaining evolution.
Once that stuff was there, all this other stuff evolved very quickly. Higher level intelligence, whatever that is pretty easy once you have the ability to move around, hunt, chase.
You have the bounce of the ostrich, and then in the same next clip you have the same bounce of the robot trying to mimic the ostrich, and then saying not reverse cutting, but it's using a lot of, like, the rhythm is back and forth, the rhythm between the animals or the people, and then the robot is mimicking that same animal. A lot of Ronnie Brooks' inventions are bugs, so the movements of the robots are mimicking the way spiders crawl up a wall, or the way spiders crawl in general. I felt like this was an elegant scene because it showed the evolution he was talking about. Showing this evolution, you have people walking a certain way, and then you have the next clip is going to be cut into a robot walking that same way.